आशा है आपने सिंगल एल्गोरिथम मेथड टू सॉल्व रूबिक क्यूब में मेरे पहले 3 वीडियो हैं वो देखे होंगे. इट इज़ इन इंग्लिश एज वेल एज इन हिंदी, so you can go through. This video I'll try to just show the improved method which is based on the suggestion of a child. He pointed me out that as per the method we are supposed to solve the white layer at the bottom. This is white layer at the bottom, except one corner we can leave, and then we are supposed to solve the middle layer, and then we make yellow cross. So he has pointed out a very good thing. So while solving this middle layer, here in this case, for example, he has given me this example. We have destroyed the cross fully. There is no cross here. These edges are lying here instead of lying here. So all these 4 edges, yellow things, yellow blocks are lying here. So it's a very good point. Why not we try to solve the cross first, irrespective of middle layer, and then having solved the cross, or at least 3 points of the cross, leaving one, we try to make this middle layer. I think idea is wonderful, and let us try to use this idea. One Stuck's method, we try to solve it from the beginning. It's a scrambled cube. So we make a white cross around yellow center. So look for the white pieces. Again here white, rotate it, sorry, make a white cross around yellow center, then match these edges, take it back, blue to blue, take it back, red to red, take it back, orange to orange, take it back. So we have made the white cross. Then we have to solve 3 corners at least. So this white is red and blue. Left sequence anti-clock, anti-clock, clock, clock. Red, green, red, green. Left sequence anti-clock, anti-clock, clock, clock. So one white is sitting here, orange and green. So it is here, so it has to be brought here. Anti-clock, anti-clock, clock, clock, anti-clock, anti-clock, clock, clock, anti-clock, anti-clock, clock, clock. So it has come here. So we have solved the cross as well as 3 corners. We leave 1 corner. Just to reinforce the method, I will just again repeat what we did earlier. So having solved the bottom, except in 1 corner, we will solve the yellow cross first and then solve the middle layer. As explained, again let us try. Look for the yellow here. So it is one there, one yellow here. So we have made 3 yellow. We leave 1. So green, red facing. So this is come rightly. Now this is green, orange. So match with the green, orange facing. So left sequence. So this is matched. Here now yellow edge come this way, and here also this is not matched, others are matched. So what we do it, we unmatched is this, and yellow is, so bring yellow here, so this will come here with the unmatched, this will go there. Let us see, unmatched will come here. So now we have this is orange, match with the orange, blue facing, match. So this will come here correctly, and this will go there, and we'll have middle layer as well as yellow cross done at the same time. So yellow cross has come, okay, and middle layer is also made, okay. So very nice method is working. So we, instead of solving the middle layer first, this new method we solving the yellow cross first, and then leaving one point of the cross we keep solving and then make the middle layer. This is a good method. Now we see the whether these are matching. Yeah, red to red and green to green matching here. So we keep it that side, this side, opposite side. This is on the left side. These two have to interchange. So we run the right sequence once, clock, anti-clock, and then I explained we rotate it just half turn, and again run the right sequence. Sorry, we done only quarter, then not half, and did the right sequence. And then just we'll see, it is matched already. See, and just a small trick, we have matched this. So here we are, bottom layer solved with one unresolved, middle layer match, yellow cross done with matched edges. Turn it like this. This is on the right side, unresolved corner. We make at least 3 corners matched. So this is yellow facing green, red by chance, clock, anti-clock. So this is matched. Here it is orange and green. So green and orange. So this fellow will come and sit here. Because it is on the top, yellow is on the top, 3 moves it will come here. Clock, anti-clock, clock, anti-clock, clock, anti-clock, it is come. So now one more corner we have to see. Here yellow is sitting here, so it will take more moves. So what we do, we bring this unresolved fellow here. This is unresolved corner, and then run the sequence. Unfortunately, this also yellow come here, so it will take more effort, 6 moves to bring in the right place. Doesn't matter. So this is blue, this is orange, blue and orange and blue. 6 moves it will come and sit here properly. See, it is come set. Everything is resolved except one corner. We bring it here, this side. Now the top got disturbed, so we have to keep moving till all white except one, this corner. Clock, anti-clock, clock. See, it is all white except this corner. So this is not resolved, the yellow side, and white side this is not resolved. So as we explained earlier, we turn it around, let this be on my right side, this will be on my left hand side. So we resolve this, make it sit properly here, white to white matching, red to red matching, and green to green matching. Clock. See, it is matched. This is sitting properly. This is the unresolved corner. We bring it here on the right hand side here, again bottom, and then do the sequence till it matches with the yellow here. It matched, and turn it around, and see, we have solved this. This I think is a very good method. Everybody can learn within no time, even in no voice. बच्चे इसको बहुत जल्दी सीख सकते हैं, बहुत जल्दी करना सीख सकते हैं, और एक ही सीक्वेंस है, राइट सीक्वेंस, लेफ्ट सीक्वेंस, पूरा रूबिक क्यूब सॉल्व हो जाता है. मैंने इससे ज़्यादा मैजिकल सीक्वेंस, आई कॉल इट गोल्डन सीक्वेंस का उपयोग नहीं देखा. और इस बच्चे की जो फीडबैक थी अमेजिंग थी. सो सच क्रिएटिव चिल्ड्रन आर देयर, वी हैव टू ओनली इनकरेज देम. Okay, thank you for watching.